my hands on the dash to stabilize them. And just holding it like this.
Dude, turn your fucking brights off.
You know, you can actually just leave the brights on this. They're not very,
Yeah.
they're not very bright. Yeah, you can literally just leave them on and pass over vehicles. They probably won't even notice.
Yeah.
Oh, that is gorgeous.
What, all the fucking fireworks and shit?
Fireworks and the view over the horizon. Especially over the camera.
It's fucking oh my gosh, Vancouver's going crazy, dude. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit.
Whoa, whoa.
God damn.
Yeah.
Now we're going back in the trees. We gotta rally this fucker.
God, no. Not on these narrow turns.
Losing a little bit of traction there.
Yeah, that'll happen. It does not have off-road tires.
You gotta be assertive with this shit. Like, I'm coming through, motherfucker.
Yeah, I mean, that car won't be able to stop the truck.
Is there a ditch to go into? Kinda.
Oh. I don't know if this truck has hazards. But I do know that the light for the the light for the right blinker does not work.
You'd see it flashing if it was on.
Yeah, you'd see the exterior lights, but not interior ones. Since most of those gauge lights don't do nothing. Yep, maybe I'll put this on YouTube. Just off-road into two-wheel drive 1 ton. I wonder how fast we're going.
I think 35, probably 35, 40.
The light will come on around 45-ish, and you'll actually see how fast you're going.
This is your left turn. I'm gonna go really slow, so I'm gonna let this guy go past. Let this guy go past because we don't want to overheat these fucking brakes.
Oh, yeah. Wow, those lights look far worse over the camera than they do actually.
Okay, first, here we go. Actually, illuminate. Hey, go ahead and illuminate. Turn on your flashlight. Let's look at the temp real quick. Oh, we're good. We're good.
Yep.
Turn it off.
Around 220-ish to 2. Yeah, that looked like it around 220-ish from my angle. If it does get too hot, we can turn on the heat to cool it down.
Might even turn on the heat now.
We can if you'd like.
That's kind of hot. I mean, it's kind of cold.
Yeah, I think. Heat is somewhere over here, and then,
Oh, the fuck.
down by your knee.
It's already coming out pretty good.
Yep. You know, if you'd like, you could roll up your window. It could.
Yeah,
Is it down?
We're good.
That's squeaking coming
Brakes.
from in the dash.
That's brakes.
No, there's like a little squeaking thing coming from in the dash.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is annoying. The dash needs to be pulled apart so that can get fixed. But when I do that, I'll probably fix the rest of it. I'll probably fix all the lights that don't work.
I'm actually not on the brakes. I'm pulsing on the brakes. I'm not really on them. I'm just barely like getting on.
Oh.
Slows down.
Keep in mind, they don't quite engage until you have the pedal down a little bit. Catching a few fireworks over the camera.
Gonna bounce some shit loose. Gonna bounce some shit loose. Shit! God damn it! And the fucking square body. Shit! I'm about to put this fucker in neutral.
You
Just roll.
You can. I mean, that'd probably be that. Yeah, no, we would literally be going Mach 10.
Damn, son. Oh, fuck!
This is what it was like going up.
Yeah, damn. Goddamn motherfucker. Shit. Oh, fuck.
Christ's sakes. Bumpy.
It's a fucking breaking bump in this fucking road.
Oh yeah, but the visor is going down slowly.
Just fucking grab the foot hooks.
Well, they're probably Grandpa's favorite lures or something.
Shit, man.
There was part of a gun on the ground.
I bet these fuckers cooking.
There was part of a gun on the ground in the road.
No, there wasn't. That was a beer can from what I saw.
Oh, that looked like part of a gun to me.
Yeah, shit, get
Like a grip. To me, that looked like some kind of grip. I don't know. It would be hard to tell if I was getting out and then going to grab it.
Get more of your life.
We got a fair few fireworks on camera. Yeah, I actually pushed down hard on it for it to do anything, but
The lights flicker.
yeah. That's it. Also, the gauges are less accurate when the lights are on, by the way.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
Yeah.
That's excellent.
Yep. On the wonders of a 42-year-old pickup.
I need a cigarette feeder.
Yeah, this is the kind of truck that you just see somebody smoking a big old cigar, one hand on the wheel. You'll,
Oh, hey, the first gear was actually helping a lot.
yeah.
Do you think we should even stop and let the brakes slow down? Or are they probably good? I mean,
Well, it's got rear drums on it that are doing most of the work.
oh, is this front rotors?
Yeah, rotors in the front.
Oh, we're good. Yeah.
Yeah, these trucks would have had front rotors since '73,
Oh shit. Okay.
but still drums in the rears. Although these are they're finned drums, so they cool down pretty good too.
I think we're only in second. I think I put it in neutral.
Probably, yeah. Got a bit close to that rock for my liking. No sort of turn.
Yeah.
Wow, that's pitch black. By the way, warning: the seatbelts will not protect you in a crash.
Oh, I know. I know.
That's why that one will
That's why
not.
I'm driving so fucking fast.
Yeah. Also, no airbag. If we crash,
temperature check, because we were slowing down at compression. Oh, we're good. I can see.
Yeah, I need to fix those lights. Fix those lights and the rattle in the dash. This truck has a lot of problems.
Whoa! Whoa!
Just gonna fix the visor for you.
Hey, Cody's behind us because we're all fucking ass.
Yeah. Cody's probably like, what the fuck is Zach doing? That psychopath. God, it's like a roller coaster, man. Oh yeah.
God damn. Holy fucking shit.
Oh, we gotta at least go 40.
Yeah. We're losing Cody.
God. Cody this would be so much fun if Cody was in here just screaming along with us.
Oh shit.
Although then again, we'd have a whole lot less room and he probably wouldn't have a seatbelt. By the way, if you do not avoid the potholes, it's a whole lot funner.
God damn, I don't want to fuck Grandpa's suspension up any more than it is. It can probably take it.
It'll take it. I mean, the shocks in the rear are pretty much non-existent, and the front, it's pretty heavy duty for being two-wheel drive.
Those springs are so fucking stiff, you don't even need no shocks.
Yeah. I mean, really, really big bumps will make it bounce up and down a tiny bit.
Right there. Oh, I couldn't even get it sideways.
Yeah.
It's landed pretty good.
It's kind of, well, to be fair, this truck weighs at least 2 tons. This truck weighs at least 2 tons because, well, actually, the factory specs would be placing this one at about 5,000 pounds, which is 2.5 tons. If it was 4-wheel drive with a big block, that'd be 3 tons. Vent over here doesn't work.
Rally this shit.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for a corner to get it sideways.
You could give it a try, but I'm not too sure how well that'd work.
Oh no, we got good traction. Wow.
Oh yeah, no. It's surprising, especially for just
it's
regular.
It's planted in the
Yeah,
corners.
it's surprising for regular 14-year-old tires.
I don't know. Yeah. I need a sharp enough corner to get it.
I don't know. I literally stomped on the gas at a corner once and still could barely even get it sideways.
It's kind of underpowered for the weight, isn't it?
Well, I mean, yeah. To be fair, the gear setup in this is designed for a big block.
Oh, so it can be geared down, or it should be?
It's got a 350, but a turbo 400 and 411 gears.
Shit.
If this was a factory small block, it would be a turbo 350 and at least 4.0 gears.
Right. Shit. A little bit. Getting a little sideways here.
But if you have a small block, immediately the gear, you get a smaller transmission and a different gear setup than a big block. Yeah.
That's some good whoops right there.
Yeah. Oh, that was a big one. You know, if you start to hear the motor surge, then that's when you know where we need to switch tanks and hope that the other one has gas in it.
We have enough to get back to the gas station, I'm certain.
Yeah. Well, I think there's a quarter tank in the other one. I'm not 100% sure on that.
Even if there's only a little bit, I mean, we're good.
Yeah. And she's a firsty 350. That excavator's pretty beat up. Oh, Ford. Cody's pretty far behind us.
Well, that fucker better keep up.
He's probably terrified.
He sees us, he's probably like, okay, let's see if you're first. It's not gonna happen.
Nope, it ain't gonna happen.
It's not gonna happen.
If she don't want to go sideways, she ain't gonna go sideways. That's just how it be. If you'd like, you could keep trying, but I don't think it's gonna happen.
Yeah, it's just too heavy. It's too heavy, too good of traction for the tires.
Yeah, it's surprising because, I mean, this thing's pretty beat up and rusty, and those tires are 14 years old.
Yeah.
Oh, stop sign.
Some of those fireworks.
Yeah. I also smell gas.
Hopefully that fire's not coming from us. I don't think it is. I think I smell fireworks.
You know, that could very well just be the heater.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I turned that thing on once within the time that I've used this truck.
Smell like shit.
It sure heated up the cab and kept me warm. But it did not smell the greatest.
Right now.
Yeah. Hey, I'm pretty sure the vent over there is closed, too.
Fuck. I can't see anything.
Yeah, man, just so probably shouldn't be down too fast. Oh, well, there's a car around the corner.
We went in the little ditch.
Yeah, I think I heard the other car honk. Or was that this?
No, it was just squeaking. My window's open. You'd hear them all.
Yeah.
I'm in drive, I think. Yeah, because if I was in second, it would be.
If you were in second, you would feel it.
Oh! That deer is still there.
Oh, that.
Oh, that's sad. That's the mama deer.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, that is sad.
Yeah, she's just lingering.
That mama deer is probably just going to be sitting there for a while.
Yeah. Can Cody turn off his fucking brights behind me here? Hold on. I'm gonna let him go in front. You go in front.
Now we can have our brights on, and he won't even notice.
Holy shit, Cody's gone.
We got to catch up with him. Actually, probably not. This truck will probably not be the hardest to flip.
I'm not. You know, brakes are hot. I ain't. Hell no, brother. Again.
Yeah. You could just stick it in neutral and just let it, and we could coast down the hill.
Do you think I could put it in second right now or don't?
How fast are we going?
Again, I don't know. Again, I can't see.
Oh, that's around 40. Yeah, no, keep it in drive.
Well, boom, like fucking.
If we go into second, you'll feel it slay.
And the tires will chirp and shit.
Yeah, it'll be.
Oh, I do hear brakes or smell brakes.
Yeah.
Which, I mean, you know, it's just steep.
Yeah, well, it'll be okay. Well, actually, as far as I'm aware, those front brakes are older than both of us.
They're stopping us good.
Yeah.
We might warp Grandpa's drums, but that's what it's all about. Keep in mind,
those are good drums.
Shit. This is meant to haul shit. It can absolutely stop itself. That's not a problem.
Oh, yeah.
Cody's gone, dude. Huh? We're gonna find Cody crashed.
Yeah.
Where, anybody to the right?
Not that I can see. Unless it's some dumbass driving with no lights.
It gets up and go on the road.
Oh, yeah. She'll get up and go.
I smell hella brakes. Holy shit.
Yeah.
It's because we finally stopped and we can get that whiff of brakes.
Yeah.
But, I mean, we did it's, you know, we just went down
it's to be expected.
Yeah.
Well, to be fair, if this truck could handle Grandpa doing that with about a ton worth of rocks in the bed, this is nothing.
Yeah.
Because you remember those hills that we went along when we were getting rocks with Grandpa at one time?
Steep as fuck. And he was working this truck like it was a work vehicle.
Yeah, no, he was putting this truck through the ringer.
Oh my god, dude.
Fuck.
What the fuck?
I think he turned his brights off too.
I think it's because this windshield needs cleaned. It's dusty as fuck. I don't think the wipers are gonna do anything.
Well, to be fair, I don't know if it will spray wiper fluid. I don't know how exactly that works.
We're gonna go up by Cody's house.
I'm still recording this. Taking the old girl for a nice drive.
We just gotta get a little pull in, just a little. Just gotta feel that V8 a little bit.
You just gotta let that pistons of steel open up.
Let that shit eat a little bit.
You gotta let her gulp down that fuel.
Gotta let her eat a little bit.
That needle's not moving anymore.
We're running out. We'll be fine. We can always just once you said the engine starts surging.
Yeah, once you feel it out of gas, because you'll feel it, you'll be able to tell it. And we'll switch to our tank and pray to God there's fuel. Because again, I usually run the tank it's currently on. I don't run the ever tank too often.
Oh God, I'm gonna be blinded.
Yeah. Well, at least theirs are hydrogen like ours. Whoa! Did you see that?
Yeah.
I hope that got caught on camera.
You're gonna have a fucking massive video on your phone. Holy shit.
It's currently about 24 minutes.
Shit.
Yeah, this phone's got a fair bit of storage. More than my last one. Plus, I don't have as much stuff as my last one did. Whoa. That is cool.
This is Cody's house right here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh shit. Okay, yeah, so he headed back. I think his neighbors are lighting shit off.
Yep. Cody's probably heading back to the grandparents to get food and make sure that we make it there safe.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna speed during 4th of July, so that way there's no chance of me getting pull over at all.
So that way you're running the rickety old beat up farm truck down the road. Giving the cops even more of a reason to pull us over.
Hell yeah. America, motherfucker. Fucking old beat up fucking 350 and fucking fireworks.
The old Chevelle 350 fireworks going on in the background, smelling that smoking gas.
Smoking brakes and shit.
Smoke, brakes, and gas. Because this thing does need a tune-up badly. Oh, there is a stop sign up ahead. Oh, there's a car. enjoying the rickety drive in the old truck?
The V8 I'm happy with it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna slow down before I get a cop pulls me over, gives me a fat ass speeding ticket.
Yep. But let's pull into the firm prairie up here and get gas.
No, we're gonna fucking run it right now.
No, we need gas. I'll put gas up.
I'm gonna run this bitch dry. Shit. What side is the gas fuel receiver on?
It's got 2 tanks around each side.
Oh shit.
But I prefer trying to put it on your side because that's the one that should be on right now and should be empty.
Alright. Oh shit, chill out, thing.
Oh, hopefully these are open. Oh,
sometimes they
wow.
aren't open.
Gas is expensive.
Sometimes their all pumps have been stopped. Oh fuck. Should we switch tanks right now?
Let's.
Do you keep it running? Oh no, that's we're good. That's got.
Well, yeah. Woo. Okay, that's cool. Let's see your car. We gonna pass by Safeway on the way to Grandparents?
We can go there. Safeway's pumps aren't always open though. But we can try.
Well, we have to hope.
plenty. Holy fuck.
Whoa! Oh, that is awesome.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, brother! This video will get demonetized immediately if I put it on YouTube.
Why?
I don't know. Why do you think?
Goddamn.
Yeah. Goddamn fuck, oh man, shit!
I don't even know how fast I'm going. I'm going about the speed limit.
I don't know. Like how each lane has a different speed limit.
There's some cops waiting here in town.
Oh yeah, most certainly.
Cody told me they wait up here by the church and everything.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. Oh, my ears just popped.
Shit coming down out of that elevation.
Yeah. Wow, I can do a whole lot better. Beautiful. Nobody from other countries would understand this.
Explosions galore.
Explosions going down an old truck, constantly burning gas. And just having fun with family. Great time.
truck to wander.
Yeah. The steering ain't always the greatest.
Steering is shit.
It used to be worse.
Oh, is your dad tightening shit up?
No, before there was like about bit over a quarter turn, maybe a half turn, where it did nothing because all the front suspension was shot.
Oh,
and then it got replaced, so now it's like how it is now, and there's still stuff that needs replaced, like the column probably ain't the greatest, and maybe the steering box, I ain't fully sure. But the end links and sway bar and all that should have been replaced. And tie rods.
Brother, I am not speeding for your dumb ass. There's so many cops out.
Yeah. The cops are especially keeping a closer eye on since it's the 4th.
Oh yeah, they're looking for drunk drivers.
Yep. I wonder if Sam is driving.
Seems kind of smoky.
Yeah.
All these fireworks.
Fireworks, brakes, the heat, whole lot of things contributing. I find it funny how the shift light works, but the indicator does not. And for all that, it'll quicker than I thought.
I like how there's fire marshals there now, like, stop selling shit.
Yep, there's a cop.
And that's why I was slowing down.
Yeah. And there's probably cops up ahead.
Maybe Safeway's got some fuel for us. We'll see.
Hopefully.
Their pumps do close, but they may still be open. It's not 11 yet.
Yeah, it's only 10:23. But I bet so many cops we have passed were
Cops
watching.
on our left.
Oh, somebody's getting pulled over.
Oh yeah.
I bet there were cops we passed and they were just like, oh, please, please give me a reason to pull you over. Oh, yes, give me a reason.
Probably my attempts are good. We're good.
Yep.
Okay, I was originally this what a piece of shit truck with the fact, and then after,
Listen, old trucks just hit
I let that
different.
V8 letting it eat a little bit on those country roads.
yeah.
I mean, it's kind of fun.
Old trucks, you just can't beat them. There ain't no new vehicle that's ever going to be like it. You turn on your blinker?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay, looks like they are still open.
Does it matter if I go on this side?
Not too much, no.
So is it fuel door on both sides?
Yeah, there's tanks on each side.
I think that one's only decent. But how far is it? Takes back a ways.
Right about there. Alright.
Oh man, this